Hey guys, right now we're going to the pain orthodontist for Lance and to the tumbling for Mary.
Yeah, so we're going to go pain orthodontics for my braces to get a checkup, right? And then we're going to
I know
tumbling.
This is rude, but
so
me and I were laughing at Cassie's.
That looks so cool. Okay, so I just got back from orthodontics.
Make a peanut
And
butter
now
and
we're
jelly
going-
sandwich with this.
We're going home. So yeah, we're gonna go home and eat dinner. Right, Mom? Taco salad? So yeah, we're gonna do that right now. I'm tired, so yeah. What is... I'm not gonna say that. Hey guys, so we are on our way to the mall. And we just ate some good dinner. And it was taco salad. I had some salad, sour cream, turkey sausage, or turkey ground beef, ground turkey. I had tomatoes. No olives. I hate olives. Tortilla flour chips. I don't know. I think it was one of those. Corn chips, I think is what it was. And cheese. That was. And it was good, right, Mary?
What?
Well, dinner was good, right?
Yeah.
Hey, my hair actually looks pretty good for just being out of the... Oh, no, it does not. That is screwed up. I thought it looked good, you guys. So, yeah, we're on our way to the mall. I got my Gatorade. And we're gonna go. So, come along with us on the journey to the mall. The outlets. So, I'll see you guys. No, I'm not gonna see you guys. Really? I don't know. I'm weird. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm being weird. I'm being awkward. But as you guys can tell, I'm trying to get used to vlogging in public. That's like my main thing since I started vlogging is... First thing was to get used to vlogging around my family, which I'm still working on, apparently. But I'm getting better at it. And now it's just my, vlogging in public. That's the thing most. It's like if I'm gonna vlog and I want to be successful in vlogging and all that, then I need to learn how to not care what people think and be able to vlog in public. So, yeah.
Not a jacket.
Need a coat.
I don't know where we are.
Columbia.
That's not gonna work.
We are at Columbia. This is just my size, you guys. You know, like, small, kids small, it's just my size, so yeah. What is up, guys? Why do I always say that?
Grandma
I don't
loves the
know.
store.
Eddie Bauer. Oh, but so where are we going right now? We're going to the bathroom at the outlet mall. It's outside. Oh no, this is
like in the back.
Oh no, this part isn't wet. It has a ceiling, but it's cold. But so yeah, we're at that outlet mall, and we are going to the bathroom right now. And so yeah, I'm getting more used to it. It's empty though. Usually it's way more full. Mary, right here. Here's the bathroom. Yeah, there is. Okay, I'll be back. She's coming. I tried to scare him. I didn't want to scare a random person because. Okay,
Remember I did that in Mexico?
no, because I didn't know if there's more people in there, and I was gonna jump out and. There's SpongeBob. They have.
This sounds the best, but I don't have $2.
Oh yeah. No, that sounds best. Oreo.
Oh. I have $2.50, but does it take
Oh, it even opens it. This thing is cool.
Does it take
It sits there and it has this thing in it.
Does it take coins too?
Probably. Yep. Yeah, it does.
Okay,
So now we're on our way to the Nike outlet.
I'm gonna get my money and it's gonna probably
And
take it back.
yeah, I'll probably take it back because we're going to go to back here because she wants to get a popsicle. I don't know why, because it's like 40 something degrees.
We
So
never get popsicles.
yeah, we don't. But so yeah, we're gonna go to the Nike outlet. So now we are heading back to the vending machine. And this time, I have my other sister too.
Hi.
She always does that, sorry. But so yeah, we're just in the Nike store. So this my sister is like, yeah, this store's really cool. All the YouTubers go in it. We should go in it. You want to?
Well, I don't know if they all go in there. I just heard of YouTube.
So I guess YouTubers say it, so maybe we'll go check it out. And I'll be the next YouTuber to go in it, unless we meet someone in there. Who knows? So yeah, we're going back to the vending machine. And Abby, did you get anything?
I got a coat from Columbia.
She got a coat. So yeah, we're going to the vending machine and we'll be here in a second. Okay guys, this is a nice car that I see right here. I'm gonna show you guys it.
I thought a car was driving behind us.
So this is, there's two nice cars.
I'll do cards.
I don't know what kind it is, but I'll look.
It's so nice.
It's a Jaguar. That's cool. Look at that. I don't know if it's someone's. No, it isn't. But
No,
yeah,
it's not.
that's-
It has been here for a long time. And
Okay.
then there's that one.
There's that one too. Yeah.
I heard some.
So there's some pretty nice cars here. Is this where you said it was closer? Hot Topic, yeah. I think you guys were there when we were talking about it, I think so. They're right there. There's a really cool sports store here too. I don't know, maybe we'll go in there.
Excited.
They have like all kinds of teams. It's like football teams, like NFL, college. So it's a pretty cool store. So, yeah.
I just want to see.
What you gonna get? You're gonna get Oreo, that thing.
Where do they
Add my money first.
where do they get them?
What?
Where are
What do I
they?
do? Add my money first or what?
Add your money? Well, press it, then add your money, then press it, I'd say. That's what I would do. So let's
I'm
see.
hearing price of money I'm gonna add.
Okay, we'll get it. After
Hold the
a
dollar
second.
because I know I'm adding that. Turd. I don't think this works, honestly. Is he like supposed to like?
Okay, let me do this. Hold this.
Okay. It's not taking it.
You should reverse these because it's not straight.
I think it's like it looks like the arrow's not on. Bro, let's hurry and see if this even counts it. If the coin even counts. Yeah, I don't think we should try it.
Oh my gosh.
Stop. I don't think it will work. Let me just see if it counts the coin.
Pay with cash or credit? Yes.
Oh, they're so stupid.
Oh.
Hi.
Yes.
Because it's not straight. Do you have another dollar?
Okay,
Yeah.
one. Yes. Try. I don't have another dollar besides coins. Let me see if it even counts the coins. Yeah, we'll just do the different machine.
What one?
Okay, she's gonna do a different machine, you guys.
What do you want?
How much
Onions or,
the Funyuns cost?
what number is it? One, oh, so 205. It's 150. Okay, so take away 50 cents from that. You want me to try this?
Yeah.
If this doesn't even work, and then it's just the money that's not
That's
straight.
okay. So, this is a really nice machine. There you go. I'll put 50.
Okay.
25 cents. Do another one.
I already entered 2.
Oh, there we go. Uh-oh. Oh.
Oh, you had to open it?
I was like, what the crap?
Guys, so it got like stuck on there and someone left it open like that, and it was stuck on there and he had to move it up. Yeah.
Have one, Mary?
Yeah.
Can I have one?
150. I need another 2.
Can I turn off the vlog?
Yeah. So she ended up getting Funyuns. And, oh, where are we going? The Funyuns and the Three Musketeers. So, ow, my ear.
I mean, here, Lance. So, Abby, you need each
thank you.
them out. No more, Abby.
I don't need any more. These are good. I just don't need any more. So I'm trying to eat healthy.
I haven't gotten these in like a year.
So yeah, now we're going back to the Nike outlet. I told them I'd take them there really fast. Now we're on our way back. Free. I'm guessing. Nope, 50% off. So
It said buy
go back
one,
together.
get one.
Buy one, get one, 50% off. Here's what I'm gonna change it right now. Just changed back, so those, I'm gonna get those ones on top. Grab my iPod. Then we just need to find a bigger size. So yeah, let's go. Just got out of the we just got out of Quicksilver and then we're going to Under Armour. But I have to take my sister to the vending machine. We'll go see if there's more at the other one. So
I'm just saying.
yeah, so right now we're going to the vending machine once more time, hopefully. Oh, my sock. So yeah, we're going to the different one this time. We're going to the closer one. Hopefully there is some. I don't know if there is.
There is, actually, there is. I have seen some in there before.
Okay, she has. I don't want to like show her because I'll have to do this. I'm like, but I'm like up here. So yeah, we're going to the vending machine and we'll be getting something.
So hey guys, right now we're gonna put the money in. Here it is.
I don't know why she's so like, oh, we're gonna do this with you. Oh, I lost it. It's gone. How much more is due? Oh no.
$1. Okay, I get to grab it. I want to open it like this.
Oh.
Yeah, see guys? See, it gets stuck in
I
like
thought it actually got stuck.
it goes flying up, you guys. Okay,
Let me see this.
here's that. Okay, I'm gonna go use the bathroom.
Take
Here,
it.
hold it.
No, let me see.
Don't eat it yet.
I am. So now we are heading back home. Oh no. We're gonna go to PetSmart really fast to look for dog beds, I think, right, Mom?
Oh, that's a pooper scooper.
Dog beds and pooper scooper. Oh, that's a nice car right there too. It's a high car. So right now we're going to go just PetSmart. You guys are liking these vlogs. You want what? Be able.
What? Will you?
Oh crap!
Will you, Mom?
Right now.
I think we see a
Hey
rocket.
guys, you guys are gonna have to take a year to get to space.
Oh, there we go.
4 years.
I think. Unless
Is that a rocket? I don't know.
It'll take 4 years to get onto space.
So let's see.